Hey guys, we are here at 2721 Northeast 5th Street in Pompano Beach. It's a great neighborhood. It's a house on the water. It has a 80 feet frontage canal, no fixed bridges, very close to the beach. So the beach is on the other side. To drive there, so over there you're probably gonna have about 3-minute drive before the bridge. It's gonna be Houston's restaurant in that area, and on the other side probably a couple more minute drive. This house right now, it's a 4-4. The asking price is $800,000. It is a house that will need complete renovation. It needs a little, you know, not too much, but a little bit of a change to the layout. The bedrooms and the bathrooms will stay pretty much where they are, and we can add like a fifth room. And that's without even speaking about the garage, which is a very large garage. The washer and dryer are inside. The house has accordion shutters throughout. Now, the roof is old, it probably needs to be replaced. I think it's a pretty standard renovation. That's why I think it is a very good property. So again, it's an older house. It's a 2,800 square foot, 32 total square foot with the garage. And the ceiling is not high, however, it's a standard height. So when we go in, this is basically one living room, and we have a second living room. This right here, I'm going to show it from the side. So the other side is the kitchen right now, and I think that this can just be completely gone, just closet space. I don't see any need for it. And then we can open this completely. We're gonna need to see exactly how to do the kitchen because it is in the middle of the house right now. I mean, we can keep the same structure if we want, and then just, let's say, break this wall and then keep the kitchen on this side, and then the kitchen is open to the other side, so it's not that bad. But we can look into that. So again, this is one area. We're gonna have one bedroom here. Each bedroom has its own bathroom. The reason why I think we can easily add another bedroom without even talking about the garage is because this bathroom has another door. So if we have another bedroom, let's say by the entrance, so they can go into this bathroom from here, not a problem. So we can do, let's say, another bedroom somewhere around here. Again, we can open all this space. So if we're gonna open everything, we can see how to add another bedroom somewhere here. If we like. Over there, well, it's gonna be a little more problematic with the windows, but again, I'm sure we'll find a way. This is the other bedroom, second one, closet, standard closet. This is a little bit more like a closet space, but it's basically where the water heater currently is and the AC, which again, they look pretty old. So this is bathroom, exit to the pool area from here. So exit to the pool area. When we do a renovation, we can put a much nicer door. So I actually like, in general, the layout here in the house. It feels pretty roomy. You can see this is a very large living room area. There is a bar over there, which is pretty nicely because it's going out to the pool area. So, you know, if we want to keep that theme, we want to do something else here, that's also obviously doable. You can even probably look into close this into a bedroom if we want, window to the pool. Again, a lot of options. The kitchen is pretty good size. Again, you can either keep it exactly as it is, I mean the same layout. I'm going to fix with the ceiling, make it a little bit more modern, or if we want to do like a completely different layout to the kitchen, so we can figure this out. We have 2 more bedrooms here. Good closet space. Bathroom. Again, everything will need to be renovated, so I don't need to show you guys too much in details. And another bedroom with access to the pool area. Bathroom. This is the only tub in the house. Alrighty, now we'll go to the outside. So the outside is relatively small. It's not as deep, but amazing view. Amazing view. And we do have space here, so we can do plenty. The deck looks like from the sign, and again, this is the bar area. It looks like we're probably gonna need to do some work on the deck. It's hard to see maybe on the video, but it is a little pitched down here. Very quiet. Looks amazing. Now we'll go back inside. I'm gonna show you the garage. By the way, the pool relatively looks good, but it's hard to see. Some water, well, probably here it's gonna need some. See now, they probably patch it out. Probably gonna need to be new Diamond Bright. Again, I love the size. I mean, it feels very wide, even with the kitchen here. It looks pretty good overall. We'll go now to the garage. Step down. Washer dryer, another water heater. So yeah, we do have plenty of options in this house. I think for the price, it's actually not bad. I mean, of course we're gonna need to do complete renovation, but there are a lot of options in this house and a lot of added value to it, and the return will be pretty good for vacation rental.